Good morning. This is Sakthikumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Here I am going to take forest ecosystem. In that environmental science and engineering paper. So first of all, we need to learn about the introduction of the forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem, it's a kind of terrestrial ecosystem which covers land area. So a forest is an area with a high density of trees. World's total land area is 13,076 million hectares, of which total forest account for about 31% of the world's land area. In India, the forest cover is roughly 19% of the total land area. The forest ecosystem are of great concern from the environmental point of view. It provides numerous environmental services like nutrient cycling, maintaining diversity, providing wildlife habitat, affecting rainfall patterns, regulating stream flow, storing water, reducing flooding, preventing soil erosion, reclaiming degraded land, and many more. So apart from the environmental values, forest ecosystem have some traditional values as well. For example, firewood and timber, fruits, gums, herbs, and drugs. So what are the structure and functions of the forest ecosystem? Means biotic components. The various biotic components, representatives from the three functional groups of a forest ecosystems are producer organisms. So in a forest, the producers are mainly trees. Trees are the different kinds depending upon the types of forest developed in that climate. Apart from trees, climbers, epiphytes, shrubs, and ground vegetation, dominant species of trees in major types of forest ecosystems are Tectona grandis, acer, betula, picay, pine, cedrus. And the consumers in a forest, consumers are three main types. One is primary consumer. These are herbivores which feed directly on producers. For example, ants, beetles, bugs, spiders feeding on tree leaves. Large animals such as elephants, deer, giraffe, etc. grazing on shoots and or fruits of trees. And the secondary consumers are, they will feed the primary consumers, for an example, birds, lizards, frogs, snakes and foxes. And the tertiary consumers, these are the secondary carnivores and feed on secondary consumers. These include top carnivores like tiger, lion. And the decomposers of the forest ecosystems are bacteria like Bacillus sp, Clostridium sp, Pseudomonas, and fungi like Aspergillus, Ganoderma, Fusarium, and also the actinomycetes like Streptomyces. They are attract dead or decayed bodies of organism, and thus decomposition takes place. Therefore, nutrient and released for reuse. And abiotic components, these include basic inorganic and organic compounds present in the soil and atmosphere. In addition of dead organic debris is also found littered in forest. So that's all for the forest ecosystem. Thank you for your kind attention.